Hey, today the goal is to have a review, to have a session together, just to see everything you can do with the WhatsApp widget in your account, so you know better how to use it and how to get the maximum benefits from it. Well, the first thing, this is my widgets. This is from the menu, my widgets here. You can have as many widgets as you can. I mean, if you are an agency or if you work with a lot of clients or you have different websites, you can have as many widgets as you need. Inside each widget, you can have different agents or multiple agents. This is the same, completely up to you. You can have 1, 2, 3 per widget, so very easy to set up. When you have a widget created, you can always edit the widget. That means I'm going to change the configuration. That means I'm going to change the description, the logo, the color, anything. The code is going to be the same. You don't need to update the code. You don't need to change the code. The code is the same. The moment you update the widget, the changes are going to be in your website. So this is automatic, very convenient for you. For example, if I change the color here and I put red and I update, okay, this goes automatically to my widget. I don't need to reload, change the code, anything. The code is the same. I change the widget here, that goes to my property, to my website. I'm going to put it back to red because I don't like green. I don't like red. So I'm going to change it here. Okay, so this is here. I update and that's it. Now the widget. In the widget I can change the name, the title of the button, the welcome message. The welcome message goes here. So the logo you can change it. Everything, you can change everything about the widget. These buttons here are extra configuration. For example, the position by default is right. If you want the widget to the left, just unclick and the widget will be there. Okay, that's very simple, very easy to set up. The widget is active. That means the widget is working and is in your website. If you want to hide the widget because it's not ready, or you want to change something, or I don't know, you decide not to use it anymore for a weekend or something, just uncheck and the widget will disappear from your website. You don't need to touch the code. The code is in your website, it's perfect, it's working. You just active or inactive the widget. So the same. This is very, very convenient because you can switch off the widget completely, but you don't need to touch the code. So this is something you can do. This button here, I think, is very interesting because this one sometimes is good, sometimes is not. So to have the widget open by default means every time you go to the site, this is going to be here open. In desktop is good, in mobile is not. So in mobile takes a lot of space, takes a lot of real estate in the window. So unless you want to push the user to contact you, we think it's better to keep it closed, so the user can click, choose the agent, and then start chatting with you. But I think to start is better not to have this open, I think, but it's the same. It's completely up to you. Only show active agents. This button here, as you can see, I have 2 offline agents, but I want them to be ready for the user. But if you don't want that, you click here, update, and now I'm going to have only my online agents. If you have a lot of agents in in turns, like this guy is from 8 to 5, from 5 to 10, I have another guy. If you have something like that, then makes sense to have only active agents. If not, you can leave them, all of them, open. And show one random agent. Okay, this option is here because sometimes you have a lot of agents. I don't know, 10, 12, 25, 100, whatever. This option makes every agent to appear only once per visitor. So if I go to the site, I see this agent. If I reload, I'm going to see a different agent. Well, because I'm the only one who is online, but I'm going to see a different agent. So what I'm doing is I'm giving to all my agents the same opportunity to contact clients. So this is like I have a lot of agents in a bag, no, and the customer is going to put the hand and pick up one. It's something like that. It's like a random agent who is going to appear in the widget. The same. This is something you can configure. Okay. So this is all about the widget configuration. Okay. This is the first tab here. You can configure all these parameters. Let's go to agent. Agents means the people who is working for you and who is selling or giving support. Each agent can have the same number, different number, is the same. It's completely up to you. What you need to have is a valid WhatsApp number. That's it. The number goes here. You need the country code without the plus sign, just numbers. Just put numbers with your country code. If you're not sure, contact me, I will help you. But this is just the number. The name, the job title, if you want, and you can have a default message so the agent knows where this user is coming from. The same, very simple, very easy to use. And the icon goes here for the agent, so you can do a photo, something. Some clients, some customers, what they do is they use the agent instead of a name or a person. They use the agent as a need. So instead of Cesar, Leonardo, Word, you can have here, support, sales, administration, or give ideas. I don't know. Ideas for your wife, ideas for your husband, ideas for your future, how to invest. I mean, the agent can be anything you want to be. It can be an idea, a person, a need, a goal, whatever. Make something the user wants to click. That's it. No? That's the whole idea for that. So this is all about the agent. Okay. The same, and you can add the timetable. The timetable is here. You need to be premium for that. Let me just do it. I don't know if it's this one. Okay, I should be premium, but I think I'm premium now, so I don't know why it's not here. So let me just put this here. Oh, okay, never mind. So let me go back to my widgets. So the timetable should be here. Let's go here. I don't know why it's not giving me access. I need to check that later. Okay, let's go to my widgets. Let's go here. Form, agents. Sorry, I was in agents. Okay, so let's go to form. In forms, you can have what you can have here is something for the user to fill up before they contact you. In my case, for example, I have this little form that it's very simple. I'm just asking about your country. Where are you from? That's it. That helps a lot when you have a lot of requests. If you have a lot of users coming to your site and a lot of users, requesting support, sales, etc., a form is going to help you stop a little the lead. The prospect, the lead, is going to think for a second before moving forward. So, a form is something very good for you, to stop a bit the attack from clients. That information can go to your CRM. The information is going to be here. It's going to be in your control panel, and you can send the data to your CRM, HubSpot, Zoho, anything like that. So that's something you can use. And finally, stats. This is just for you to know what's going on. How many clicks you have, who are the customers, where they come from. You have the referral here, so you can learn more about the users, where they come from, etc. And finally, this is the code. This is the code you need to copy and paste in your website. That's it. Super simple, super easy to use. Hope that helps, and hope this makes sense, and hope you want to use the WhatsApp widget. And if you have any questions, please contact me. I'm here to help you. All right. Thank you very much. Let's stay in touch and make your WhatsApp widget even better. Thank you.